Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2023 Wave 4. We have Kyle Busch's number 8 Lenovo next gen car. And on the back you can get other cars like Alex Bowman's Allied Dark Scheme, Brandon Jones Geldwell next gen car, Kevin Harvick's Ream car, and many more cars from this wave. Let's get Kyle Busch out of the box. So here we have the sticker, which is Lenovo, the logo. Some red lines there. The Rowdy logo, his nickname, and also the Rowdy Energy Drink logo. And of course, his new number 8, and a new font for Richard Childress Racing's number 8. So here is the car. So Kyle Busch went from Joe Gibbs Racing to Richard Childress Racing in 2023, replacing Tyler Reddick, who went to 2311 Racing. So Kyle Busch took over the number 8 car, and well, a lot of fans really like him now. So on the side of the car here, you can actually see the 75th anniversary logo, in which from our previous Diecast cars, you probably see the small logo there. So pretty much, his car basically is pretty much the same as when Tyler Reddick drove the car. It still has the same paint scheme as it was. The red hood, the Lenovo logo, Cheddar's, Alsco on the side, Bet, MGN. The only difference is that the new number 8 is fonted differently, because when Kyle Busch took it over, it wanted to be a different font from what it was from Daniel Hemrick and from Tyler Reddick. So Lenovo is basically a tech company, so that's where these lines actually come in to. So yeah, Kyle Busch pretty much basic. So pretty much this is Tyler Reddick's paint scheme, except the fact that now he's gone. Kyle Busch took it over and changed the number font. So the only major difference is that the number and the driver. I'll give you a 360 view of the car. And I think that'll conclude today's video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.